So I've had the EufyMake UV printer for about 5 months now, and I've learned a couple tips and tricks along the way. And today I want to show you a printing tip that I have in case you are struggling with the white ink coming out. Try this first before you start doing all the cleanings and the deep cleanings, because this is probably all it takes. I haven't printed in about 2 to 3 days. Yeah, it's been like 2 to 3 days. So what that does, it flushes out the ink and injects the moisturizing solution inside. And doing this prevents any head clogs or any ink drying up. And before you start printing, all you have to do is click this, inject the ink, and you can hear that it's gonna start doing its thing to fill the ink back inside the tubes. This process usually takes about 15 minutes to do. So we're just gonna wait and then we're gonna move on to the next step. So it took about 10 to 15 minutes and now my printer is ready to print. It's on idle. So this is what I do. I have a piece of my DTF printer film. So this is just regular DTF film. And I like to use this because it's transparent. So if I'm doing a nozzle check, I can see every color. You can also use like, paper or cardstock or whatever you want to use. But sometimes if you're using like a white paper or a colored paper, it's kind of hard to see that color. So I like to use something clear. You can also use like a piece of clear acrylic to test your prints on. But every time I print, I always do a nozzle check. So I usually have a couple on hand that's fit to this size. So I just put it on. And then let's go back to the computer. Let's see what's going on here. I have some maintenance I need to do. Let me select that. I need to replace my cartridge. It's 94% full. I do have an extra one, so I will be changing that. Scraper and air filter. I do not have any of those left, so I do need to contact them to see where I can get more. But we'll change this after I do my test print. So let's get out of here. All right, so we go right here. It should be where it says diagnosis. You click that. And I used to do test printing. And what this does is it gives you like a little nozzle check of all of the nozzles. But sometimes the white is missing. So let's do this first to see if the white is missing. And if it is, we'll move on to the next step. Click that. We're gonna click next and just follow the prompts and just let it do its thing. So now it's raising it and yeah, we'll just see. And let's see what it does. Yep. All right, now the nozzle check is printed, so let's take a look at it. And like I said, the thing I like about using the DTF film to test it is because it's transparent, so we can see all the colors. So all our colors look good. We got our white there. Sometimes the white doesn't come out, and if it doesn't, I'll show you what to do. But I rarely do this nozzle check. Let me show you what I do instead. So if your white is not printing out before you start doing all the cleanings and deep cleanings, do this first. Go right here, open up a canvas. First, take a snapshot of your canvas. That way we can see where we're placing our little test print. So I use this design right here. I actually made it on ChatGPT. So the prompt was create me a CMYK test strip with white. So a CMYK test strip with white. And this is what it gave me. So I saved this to the computer and this is what I use all the time before I print. Because sometimes this little nozzle right here, let me zoom in. This is just a little tiny like spit of ink, but sometimes you need a little bit more. But I do think the white is thicker than the other colors. That's why sometimes the white has a little bit more trouble. So sometimes it just needs a little bit more white to come through instead of this little tiny little nozzle check. Sometimes you need more. So this is what I print all the time first before I do any type of printing at all. So this is what I do. Even sometimes where I know these colors are gonna be good, I just also go right here on elements. I can get a shape and I just do this. And I change the color right here to white, completely white, or I'll just print that. And sometimes it'll work. There was one occasion where I printed my little strip and I printed this and it didn't come out. The white one still didn't come out. So I was thinking like, what am I gonna do? I got a head clog, like, oh, what am I gonna do? So what I figured out was I just did this little square and I did flat raised. And then I raised it, I think it was about, I did the lowest, which was about 0.3, just to give it like a little bit thickness, just so it can just like print white thick. And it ended up coming out. So sometimes you just need a little bit more printing in order for that little blockage to come out. So this is what I like to do before I start doing like the cleans, which I rarely do any of like the cleanings, the deep cleanings. Try printing first because sometimes you just need more ink to come through. So I'm gonna keep this one flat raised, even though my test strip came out good. But if this is something that you're currently struggling with, or just to have this tip in mind, it's really helpful. Now we're gonna send this to the printer. So this one right here is a flat. This one right here will be raised. And if you try all this and it doesn't work, make the white square more raised. So right now we're doing it at a 0.3. I think that's what it was. Yeah, it was at a 0.3. Say if it doesn't print, try it thicker. Maybe try a 0.5 or a 0.6. And if you're really having an issue, maybe a 1 millimeter. So just a couple things to try before you start doing like the deep cleanings and all that stuff, because I feel like that is more of a waste of ink. So try this first and see how it works. So right now we're gonna send it and then see how it looks. All right, so now it's done and this is how it came out. So we have our full color strip and we have this one right here that is raised. So I knew this one was gonna come out fine just because the nozzle checks were good. But like I said, if you are having trouble, if your white's not coming out, do this before you start doing any cleanings. But yeah, that's usually what does it for me. If you are still having issues, then you might wanna contact support, but before contacting support, try all that. It just needs like a purge, you know? So before we end the video, let's change the cleaning cartridge. So super easy to change if you haven't changed it before. Let me show you how to do it. So this is the second time in 5 months that I am changing the cartridge. The first time that I changed it, it filled up fast because I had the same problem where the white wouldn't come out. So I kept doing the cleaning and cleaning, deep cleaning, so many cleanings, and it filled it up really fast. But now that I know not to continuously do the cleanings, maybe try printing more like how I showed you in this video, your cleaning cartridge will last longer. So you just pull it out right here and then you pull, oh, let me open this one. I'm getting this one ready. Okay, like this. We're gonna pull this one out. Just like that. And this one is definitely heavier than this one is. And we're just going to pop it in. Just like that. Done. It's that easy. Next, I'm just gonna put it back in the box and we're gonna throw it away. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful if you guys are having trouble with the white coming out. And if you guys already tried it, let me know if it worked for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. That all helps my channel grow. And if there's anything else you guys would want to know or learn about the EufyMake UV printer, drop them down in the comments below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.